So I'm in Santa Barbara right now. I'm here. I'm headed to Vegas tomorrow morning. And obviously that's the reason I'm in this new recording studio for the day. And I'm once again doing this whole awkward in front of the camera thing. But honestly, I'm happy because I want to say something straight to the camera. I think it's so annoying that every time I'm out filming in person, I get asked the exact same question every time. Why are you filming? And I think this is one of the rare art forms where that question needs to be asked for some reason. I mean, think about it. If you're a painter and you're out on the ocean, nobody is going to ask you, why are you painting? It's just implied. You're painting because you like to paint. You just enjoy doing what you're doing. And for some reason, the camera is not that way. And I think that's because of social media. People want to know if I'm out here TikToking or Instagramming or most likely YouTubing. And obviously that's what I'm doing. And I think that's part of the reason why my craft is so confusing to me, because there's this whole aspect of it that just is implied that you're doing it for the views. You're doing it for the following, the social media side of things. And that's honestly just not why I'm doing these videos. I've been filming now for 130 days with no views. And now I'm posting these videos and I'm still getting no views. And honestly, I don't care. That's not why I'm doing this at all. I'm doing this because I like doing videos. I enjoy the process of filming and just creating. That's all I'm doing this for. I'm just like the painter on the beach. I like to do what I do. And I think when people ask me that, it's obviously not something I take negatively. I'm not over here annoyed that people ask. But it reminds me every time that unfortunately my form of creation is now entangled with this whole mess that we're all in now. And that is the mess of the internet, the mess of social media. And sometimes it is hard for me because I assume that my work has value only because of the amount of views that it's getting. And I can assure you that if I told people, oh, I'm filming because I have 10 million followers, they would suddenly become interested in what I'm doing. But if I tell them, oh, I'm just filming because I like to film, then they're kind of like, oh, okay, that's cool, I guess. Have a good time doing that. Or they basically assume like, oh, you're not doing this for money or views, therefore it's less important to me, and that's the only question I have to ask. And I think that's something I'm going to start doing now. When people ask me this, I'm going to immediately say, oh, I'm doing this, I have this following of 10 million people, and I'm going to see how they respond if I say that versus if I just say, oh, I'm filming because I like to film. I don't know what it is. This is kind of an ongoing thought that I'm having, but I just really don't know if people think that what I'm doing is honorable because I'm doing it, or if it's only honorable if I'm doing it for a reason. That's all I got to say today, guys. This is like a off the top one, but hey, Kansas City Chiefs are playing today, so I only had a little bit of time to film this. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 36. Later.